Going to talk about client files button. As you can see, when you click on it, you come right into the patients that you have already set up programs for, and we're going to use Mr. Test. When I go there, it shows all the programs that I've run on this person or that I've transferred to his device. It gives me the serial number right here. Here's MR47, that's a MagRes. And if I scrolled all the way down, it would show all the different programs that I've done. And here's one here. Here's JP0028. That is actually a MLR72. So again, that shows you how to do it. What's neat about this is, let's say this patient, they have hurt themselves and they came in and you change it to acute injury and they've ran that for 2 weeks and now they want to come back and have their original programs back. So I can highlight this and it shows me all the programs that are in their program set. Also, while I'm here, I can highlight any frequency, click on it, and it's going to show me the pathology or the tissue in the Van Gelder system that it goes to. So let's do this. Let's transfer it to the compiler. We'll send it to the compiler, and in one click, there's my 5 programs ready to transfer to the device. So I don't need to do anything else except for give it a name, XYZ, give it some repeats, 1, 2, and hit transfer to device. I am not going to transfer it now because this is just an example, but basically that's all there is. By the way, if you ever need written help instead of video, over here there's a user guide. When you click on it, it'll have a user guide with every button explained in writing for you. Thank you. That's all I have.